Imagine you're the CFO of a bustling company. You've got a mountain of expense reports piling up on your desk. How do you efficiently manage and approve them without losing your sanity? That's where Expensify comes in. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your expense approval process, saving you time and money. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of approving expenses in Expensify. Let's dive in. Access your Expensify dashboard. The first step is to log into your Expensify dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a list of pending expense reports. These are reports that employees have submitted and are waiting for your approval. Review expense reports. Click on a report to view its details. You'll see a breakdown of the expenses, including the date, vendor, amount, and any attached receipts. Take your time to review the report carefully and make sure everything looks accurate. Check for compliance. Before approving a report, it's important to ensure that it complies with your company's expense policies. This might involve checking for things like proper documentation, expense limits, and approval hierarchies. Add comments or questions. If you have any questions or concerns about a report, you can add a comment. This will notify the employee who submitted the report and allow you to request additional information or clarification. Approve or reject the report. Once you're satisfied with the report, you can approve it. This will mark the report as approved and send a notification to the employee. If you find any issues, you can reject the report and provide feedback to the employee. Additional tips. Use Expensify's filters. Expensify offers various filters to help you quickly find and review reports. You can filter by employee, date range, or expense category, *. Set up automatic approvals. For recurring expenses or low-value reports, you can set up automatic approval rules. This can save you time and reduce manual workload, *. Integrate with your accounting software. Expensify integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This can help streamline your expense management process and reduce errors, *. Provide clear guidelines. Make sure your employees understand your company's expense policies and procedures. This will help prevent errors and reduce the number of rejected reports, *. Approving expenses in Expensify doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps and utilizing the features offered by Expensify, you can streamline your expense approval process and save your company time and money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.